I'm Ping Li from Chemistry Department of NCKU. It's my pleasure to stand here to have a short talk with you guys. As we know, energy crisis is the most critical global issue in the 21st century. The energy is very important for the development of every country, so there's no country can escape from this global issue, including Taiwan. So in the 2018, the researchers from National Central University of Taiwan, 国立中央大学, have found that the seabeds of Taiwan, there are something called the combustible ice, which may be the new light to solve this critical problem of energy crisis, especially in Taiwan, electricity shortage, right? So, the first thing I want to mention here is the term ice in the combustible ice is not the ordinary one we have used in our daily life, which is water, but its true face is a combustible gas called methane, which is CH4-1. So in this picture, we can see obviously that the ice is burning, and this is the true face of the combustible ice which is stored in the Arctic Ocean, and its molecular structure. So the first reason why it can solve the energy shortage is it can be a great substitution for the coal. So as we know, coal is made by timber, so it is composed by many other elements such as sulfur and carbon and many much more. And when these elements combust, they have a chance to produce some toxic gas. So, but in contrast, the combustible ice which is composed of methane is mostly hydrocarbon, so it may be more environmental friendly, and its efficiency is also higher than the coal. In the calculation here, you can see that it produces more heat than coal. And the second point is it fits the Taiwan's current power generating industry. Let's take a look at this pie chart. As we can obviously see that the main power generating method in Taiwan is still thermal generation, which is we burn the fossil fuels to create steam, to create heat, and the heat will boil the steam and push the turbine to produce electricity. So it is hard for Taiwan to rapidly transform from thermal power generation into other types of power generating method, as Taiwan don't have much infrastructure, and the technology of Taiwan in other power generating method is not mature, it's immature yet, such as somebody might say nuclear fission or nuclear fusion is one of the options that Taiwan can take, but I think it's unwise for Taiwan because if Taiwan's government ban all the thermal power generator and turns it into nuclear power generator, it might be too risky, as Taiwan can get a good control on the nuclear fusion. And from the economical aspect, it can keep the electricity price low and stable. As we can see on this bar chart, expelling all the upper side of this bar chart, which is the modern and the highly populated countries, Taiwan at the lower section here is commonly the electricity bill for Taiwan is still high compared with other developing countries such as Malaysia and Vietnam. So in conclusion, combustible ice is currently the best choice for Taiwan to ease the energy crisis, especially for the electricity shortage. And from the both aspects that I mentioned above, which is the environmental aspects and the economical aspects, it is a great choice for Taiwan to improve the situation. And the another news is that as same at the last year, Japan has developed a new harvesting technology for this combustible ice, which can be imported by Taiwan to improve the technology of harvesting the combustible ice. So this is the end of my speech. Thank you. Does anyone have any questions?
The combined cycle of gas generators produce the same cost electricity as the coal generator, but it has a higher cost and lower.
Why you choose this?
Because I think you use electricity in your life, right? So I think this is the issue that everyone should be more aware about. No one can escape from energy shortage, so the solution should be sought by all of us together, not just the role that should be played by scientists or the government.